Hey unicorns. I mean, what up unicorns? Ew, I don't like that no more. I think I need to fix that. I'm getting older and that's just like, I feel like something's in my eye. I got my makeup done yesterday and trying to see if I got everything. Well, my makeup was bomb as hell yesterday.
Better pull up, bustin' that fire now. I'm the one to keep the streets, but
okay, let's get into the video because I hate when I be watching videos of people and they just keep talking and talking and talking.
I'm the only lady else, still the realest nigga in the room.
So today you will be needing you'll be needing your edge brushes, a comb, a brush, and some edge control. I use edge booster, but I ran out, so unfortunately I have to use this beeswax. But let me tell y'all, do not use this. This is the worst. This is the worst. Alright, let's start the video. So basically, and you will be needing a scrunchie. All you do now is apply your edge control. Now you're just brushing the product through your hair. You just put your hair in a ponytail. And if your hair is not straightened, you're gonna take sections of your hair and just gel it down so it becomes a slick ponytail, okay? So basically, right, you would, if your hair is wet, dry, whatever, it's just not straightened, you're gonna wanna part it from like here to here, right? Put this whole back into a ponytail. Then you're gonna use your edge control to slick this. Put this in a ponytail, parting it again, put the edge control, then bring this in with that. You get the point. Leave time, period. Like this, right? Take the end of the bundle. Pretty. Check out my eye. What the fuck? Y'all seen that? And just wrap it around. Wrap it around. First of all, this would be cute. Put some Got2b glue right here. Cut that piece off. I just scratched myself. Alright, so then you just go around. Take your bobby pin and the end of this, just stick it. Add like 1 or 2 more so it could be secure. Okay, so after that, get the daggone hair out your face finally. Woohoo! So, pay attention, okay? Tease your hair a little bit, right? So, then you're gonna wanna just wrap it around. And then you pin it. So after this step, you just fix it, like play with it, make sure it's to your liking. Time for the edges. Like, I'm not saying that beeswax is bad, it just doesn't come out your hair and nobody want to deal with that. But this is, if you want some locks or something, use this. I promise you it would never ever they would never ever come out. Like, ever. Just about to stay for like 12 days. In the kitchen, wrist with like stir fry. In the kitchen. Alright, so this is the final look. Bye, unicorns. Hold on. Make sure you like, subscribe, repost me, tag me. You know, just show love, show love, show love. I'm gonna show love back. And that's it. So, bye, unicorns.